So I've never bought into this idea that the IRS is your or our enemy. What they are is referees.
JJ, the CPA is here.
JJ the CPA here, hope you're doing well. An IRS agent is there to ensure that if you say you got a touchdown or a home run, that you actually did. So they ask for an instant replay and then they review it. So if the ball made it over the line or the ball made it out of the ballpark in the air, well, then it's a touchdown or it's a home run. So with that being said, yes, the IRS may be increasing their review of those that fit this target, but this isn't anything that should be a surprise to us. The IRS came out with a long-term strategic plan. I'm going to give you a link to that in the body of this video. And in part, it included what they plan to do as it relates to auditing this segment of taxpayers. I think that as they indicated in this announcement, they'll be using AI, artificial intelligence, to go about their audit selection more carefully and more with a scalpel. So in my next video, I'll give you what I think are the major areas that might surprise you where I think the IRS is going to focus in with this targeted group, as they have said. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me.
American CPA.